most beneficial model in Canada?
I think that is reliable, durable, and efficient. SLP99 is 99% efficient, fully modulating unit.
Hey everyone, this is Eric from Breezecome, and today we're so happy we have Jeff with us today. Jeff is our Lennox territory manager here. Also, Jeff is my friend. He's probably the most handsome, tall guy in the whole HVAC industry. Lennox is definitely the most recognized and famous brand for HVAC in North America, not only for residential but for commercial as well. Can you tell us a little bit more about Lennox history to our house owners?
First of all, thank you, Eric, for having me. I really appreciate you inviting me. I'm really happy to be here. So Lennox has a long-lasting legacy in the HVAC industry. Beginning and founded in 1895 by Dave Lennox, pioneering one of the first riveted furnaces. We have continued on that spirit of innovation. We brought that to Canada in 1952 with our leading products as our SLP99 furnace and S40 thermostat.
So Jeff, can you tell us what's the most beneficial model in Canada?
Absolutely. Canada has some of the harshest climates. We need something that is reliable, durable, and efficient. And that's where our Dave Lennox signature series, DLSC, really comes into play. The SLP99 is a 99% efficient, fully modulating unit that's going to be able to keep up with extreme temperatures as well as being cost effective and efficient for you in your home.
The signature is one of the top tier model from Lennox. Our customer is constantly choosing between ML series or EL series. Can you tell us what's the difference between those two series?
Absolutely. Elite series, it's one of the most versatile furnaces on the market right now. It's going to be quieter, slightly more efficient than our Merit models. As when we add that to our S40 systems, we have a fully communicating remote diagnostic for our environmentally conscious customers. We also offer the AL18 KSLV side discharge heat pump. This is a full climate certified unit that's very versatile and will work very well in our Canadian climates.
Can you tell our house owner why should they choose Lennox Premium Dealer as Breezecome for installing their furnace and AC for their house?
We worked together for a long time, Eric. The reason I'd go with you guys is you're factory trained, qualify for consumer promotions, and you qualify for manufacturer rebates.
Thank you, Jeff, for bringing us a great information to our house owner. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks, Eric.
All right, bye.